Hello everyone. You know what, I was putting on these tire letters and I was thinking, fuck it, let's make a video. Just did an oil change and some other maintenance, fixed the coilovers. And now I'm doing tire letters. I'm about to show y'all what's the best way I thought was the best way. You know, there's multiple ways of doing things, but get to it. This is what I'm using, super glue with brush and nozzle. So right now I'm about to put on a couple letters. Show y'all how I did it. Alright everyone, the first thing I did was clean the tires with a rag, soapy water, and I cleaned the tire. Now that the tire is clean, I'm ready to use the super glue, Gorilla Glue. It comes with the glue, but when I was first doing it, I ran out fairly quick. So I want to go buy this one. I bought 2 bottles. I like a bottle per tire, maybe. Gorilla Glue. So first things first is you use the bottle to apply the glue in line with the letter, and I do it to all the letters. Seconds, every letter, apply even pressure. Make sure to get the corners. Just keep applying even pressure, that way it all sticks. Eventually, no letters will come up, it'll stay down. Keep applying pressure, but it won't do nothing. And that's it, basically. Then you repeat the process. You do want to give yourself a good amount of time without dropping the car, that way the letters don't go flying off as soon as you start drying it. I think the dry time is about 15 minutes. I'll give it an hour just to make sure you got every letter, because 1 or 2 might start peeling off immediately. So give it some time to dry, give yourself some time. And like I said, taking off the wheel is the best bet. That way gravity is working in your favor and you get the best look. Major look. Ooh la la. Yep, if you want to make your car look fast, but not be fast, get some tire stickers, because shit look like a race car. Slow as hell though. But these are the tire letters. What they look like. Major look. This car look good when I'm in it. I only put half of them in the back. The most important part is cleaning your tire good. That way the super glue sticks to your tire. Yep, but that's the end product. I just bought new tires, so these are coming off. They're temporary, just want to see what it'll look like. Alright, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. Never thought I'd hear myself saying that, but here I am.